where I will show you how can you minimize your buffering problem. Go to your Kodi home screen and select settings again, then go to file manager, select add source, select none, and type in the URL exactly like this: http://bliss-tv.com/essentials. Very easy peasy. I will also drop the link down below in the description. Select OK once you add the link and go back to your home screen. Select add-ons, select add-on browser, then select install from zip file. From there you select the source you have added earlier. Now just select script.rswizard. Once you select it, it will install a program add-on called rswizard. Now just go inside program add-ons, and I have already installed it. As you can see, rswizard is here. Open it. Once rswizard will open up, you will just go to this part here which is saying tweaks, then select advanced setting wizard. Remember, once you open the rswizard, select tweaks, then advanced setting wizard, then select next, then select generate settings. Then it will generate the settings based on your device, your RAM, etc, etc. Now select apply these settings, and it will ask you to restart your Kodi. I will select OK, and then I will reboot my Kodi. Alright guys, my rebooting has been successful.